Hi there. Welcome to Adventures in Glass with Doug. Today's a little different. I'm shooting a quick video to let you know what's going on. I'm not going to be constructing glass today, but I want to show you what we're up to. I'm moving my workshop to a new location, and of course it's the holiday time right now, so I'm busy with other things. But to give you an idea, we have a great space. I'm already moving some of my glass over here. As you can see, we're going to be creating a new studio right in here. I think it'll really make it a lot better for me. I'm going to have more workspace and a lot of good light. Won't be in the tight garage with the car and all my other tools and stuff. So I'm excited to say, if you stay tuned after the new year, sometime we'll be moved in over here, ready to do a new workshop with lots of great projects with glass. And believe me, I've got plenty of glass to work with. So it's a work in progress, but what I'm hoping is to have a workbench here, after I get this wall closed in, and then have plenty of my glass storage over here. As you can see, I've been busy moving my various totems over to this space. They're not all here yet, but we're getting there. So I'm excited to say that I will soon be operating from this space to bring you more Adventures in Glass with Doug. So be patient while we get the space ready and get ourselves moved in. And we'll be seeing you soon. So happy holidays, Merry Christmas, Happy Hanukkah, Happy New Year. And I look forward to some really good stuff in the new year. And thank you so much for being one of my subscribers.